Alright, let's learn some Swedish words for things on the inside of a car.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Yes, this is a video that's actually been requested for quite some time, so while I'm in a car right now, I might as well show you around. Let's go. Here we have en RATT, and you use it to styra, If you're angry with someone or you want to warn someone, you can use en tuta. This is en växelspak. This one in particular is en automatisk växelspak. And this whole thing is called instrumentbrädan. Over here you have ventilation. You have bilstereo. You have fläkt. You have hastighetsmätare. You have handskfacket. You have backspegel. Hello! You have baksätet. You have framsäte. And this one is passagerarsidan. While as this one that I'm sitting on is förarsidan. You have gaspedal. You have broms. And if you have a manual transmission, you also have en kopplingspedal. To start a car, you need en bilnyckel. You have bilbälte. Very important. You have handbroms. And those were some of the things you can find inside a car. Maybe I'll do one with an exterior as well. Would that be fun? Yeah, because getting a bigger vocabulary is the key to everything, almost. You have to be a good person as well. That's also one of those important things. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Click on one of my videos. Bye!